Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shift for class 6. This content is from IMO Olympiad Workbook 2122 MTG Publication by Mahabir Singh. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. How many degrees does the hard hand of a clock turns in 5 minutes? To complete one full rotation, Rn requires 12 hours. So this angle is, for 12 hours, the angle is 360 degree. So for 12 hours, angle is 360 degree. So we convert this hour into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 12 hours is equal to 12 into 60. So this minute is equal to 360 degree. Then we want to find out the angle for 5 minutes. So 5 minute is equal to what? So we do cross multiplication here. 360 into 5 divided by 12 into 60. Here this 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 5 by 2. We convert it into mixed fraction. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5 degree. So here D is correct answer. Question number 2. The given figure has faces. So this 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, this 6 and down 7. So there are 7 faces, edges. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges and corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 corners. So here C is correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement A parallelogram in which two adjacent angles are equal is a rectangle. This statement is correct. Statement B, a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite angles are equal is a parallelogram. This statement is also correct. Option C, in a parallelogram, the maximum number of acute angle can be 2. This also statement correct. So here D is correct answer. Question number 4. A square pyramid has a dash base, dash faces, dash edges and dash corners. Now we first draw the square pyramid. Square pyramid is like this. So it has square base. This is the square base. Dash faces. So this 1, this 2, 3, this 4 and down 5. So it has 5 faces. Dash edges. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 edges and dash corners. And this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. So here C is correct answer. Question number 5. Find the measure of angle for 1/4 revolution. So for complete revolution, the angle is 360 degree. 1/4 of it means divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. For 1/4 revolution, angle will be 90 degree. So here D is correct answer. Question number 6. How many right angles will you make if you face south and turn clockwise to east? This north, south, east and west. So you face this direction, so you have to turn like this. So there are 3 right angle. So here B is correct answer. Question number 7. Line PQ is perpendicular to RS is symbolically written as perpendicular sign is like this. So here A is correct answer. Question number 8. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment is a perpendicular to the line segment that divides it into dash equal part. Now consider this is segment AB. This is called the perpendicular bisector. It divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. So here B is correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Statement A. Each diagonal of quadrilateral divides it into 2 triangles. B. Each side of quadrilateral is less than the sum of the remaining 3 sides. C. A quadrilateral can have almost 3 angles. And D. A quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. So each diagonal divides the quadrilateral into triangles. So statement A1 is correct. Each side of quadrilateral is less than the sum of remaining 3 sides. This is less than the sum of 3 sides. So B statement is also correct. Option C. A quadrilateral can have almost 3 angles. The quadrilateral have 4 angles, means this statement is incorrect. And quadrilateral has 2 diagonal, this 1 diagonal and this 2 diagonal. So only C statement is incorrect. So C is correct answer. Question number 10. Which of the following triangle is isosceles right angle triangle? In isosceles right angle triangle, the angle should be 90, side should be same and the angle should be same. So here C is correct answer. Question number 11. Name the given figure. In the given figure there are total 5 sides. The polygon having 5 sides called as a pentagon. So here C is correct answer. Question number 12. Find the sum of number of faces, edges and vertices of tetrahedron. The shape of tetrahedron is, so there are 4 faces, 6 edges, 4 vertices, and sum of this is 14. So here B is correct answer. Question number 13. The measure of the reflex angle is dash than 180 and dash than 360. The reflex angle is this. It is greater than 180 and smaller than 360. So here C is correct answer. Question number 14. Which of the following quadrilaterals does not have any difference in measurement between its length and breadth? Square is a quadrilateral and all sides of square are equal. So there is no difference in measurement between length and breadth. So A is correct answer. Question number 15. A parallelogram with all equal sides is called dash. The rhombus is parallelogram and its all sides are equal. And in square there are 4 sides and all sides are equal. So A and C is correct. So here D is correct answer, both A and C. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.